What's up, everyone? Justin from GoldSilverBitcoin here. We are seeing recession, as many experts are, and our question is, will it be a 1929 style recession? CEOs all over the world are anticipating this recession. They're saying so on their quarterly calls. James S. Tisch, CEO at Lowe's Corporation, the hotel, insurance, and industrial conglomerate, said on an earnings call last week that he expected recession, but none so cataclysmic as the Great Recession. Starbucks interim CEO Howard Schultz said, quote, "We're highly concerned and humbled by the environment." William J. Hornbuckle, CEO of the casino operator MGM Resorts International, so these are big companies, said that he and his executives are, quote, "not blind," and that they, quote, "remain keenly aware of the impact of inflation." Last week, 88 chief executives cited on Q3 conference calls the Fed's raising of interest rates to fight inflation as a major reason for the slowing in their businesses. That, according to Centio, which tracks this kind of thing. Stephen Roth, the real estate developer and chief executive of Vornado Realty Trust, told analysts the Fed was, quote, "deadly serious in fighting inflation." The economy is clearly slowing, they said. 2,122 companies mentioned recession on conference calls in the past 3 months. That's out of 9,000 companies, which Centio tracks worldwide. Last year, 193 companies mentioned recession only. Earnings have slowed, yes. Profits have increased just 2% on average for reporting at S&P 500 companies as well. Now that's down from 6% growth 1 quarter ago, according to FactSet, the market tracking website. So what's going on? Well, GoldSilverBitcoin sat down with Mike McGlone to talk about recession and what he sees it will play out like, and here's what he said.
The Fed's sledgehammer is what's happening, is pounding out an enduring foundation for gold and Bitcoin. Right now, we're in the pretty much maximum pain stage. To me, that's a forward-looking, and I see us heading towards one of the most significant global recessions of our lifetimes. And I don't think that's very profound, and I can dig into why that's the case. The bottom line is we have the Federal Reserve leading interest rate hikes, the most central banks on the planet hiking rates as financial assets deflate and the world tilts towards a recession. So that's essentially a 1929 type scenario. Yes, they're fighting inflation, but all the forward-looking indicators, almost all my forward-looking indicators for inflation are it's going to absolutely collapse and then stay down for a long time, which I think is going to be the environment where I think gold and Bitcoin and long bonds will outperform.
So as you see, it's becoming increasingly likely that there will be recession. That's why more and more Americans are looking to make money on the side. There's lots of ways to do that. I think that now's a great time. So amid the turmoil, the fact that you're here means that you might make it through this just fine, but it's time to buckle down. Maybe start buying some things that you want and stick to those things that you need. This has been another episode of Gold Silver Bitcoin News. Thank you.